Hey LHS babes, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Tiffany, the proud owner of Luxury Hair Silhouette. Today is so exciting because I'm going to reveal my new curly hair inventory. So ladies, make sure you watch to the end because I've got some gorgeous new curls to show you and I can't wait to share all the details. Especially our LHS Burmese Goddess Curl, which is our best selling curly texture. This versatile texture allows you to achieve defined curls and ringlets at the same time. Stay tuned, I'll be going through a length check, inspecting the inventory, and introducing our brand new hair tags, thank you cards, and custom hair boxes. And I know branding is essential, so I'm going to be sharing tips on how to make your brand stand out. Plus, I'll be showing you how I tag and rack my gorgeous hair extensions. Alright, let's get started. First up, we're going to conduct a length check to ensure that everything meets our high standards and to ensure the lengths of the bundles match the lengths that I ordered from my vendor. How I measure my curly bundles is by measuring from the weft. The weft is a part of the hair sewn together. Place your measuring tape at the very top and at the point where the hair is attached. This is your starting point and you'll mark that as 0. Now gently pull the hair down from the ends. Ladies, this is so important because curly and wavy hair can coil and shrink, making it look shorter than it actually is. Make sure you stretch the hair fully without causing any damage. Anyone starting a hair business, you need to know how to properly measure your curly or wavy hair bundle or you'll lose so much money. Next, I'm checking the inventory we ordered. Quality control is everything for us at Luxury Hair Silhouette. Every strand must be perfect. Now for the part that I'm most excited about is our new branding. Check out these beautiful hair tags. Look at how extra I am. Our hair tags even has a QR code for you to shop different inches and lengths. And these are our new thank you cards. Yes, a QR code there too. And these are our luxurious custom hair boxes. Aren't they stunning? To ensure our bundles stay secure and intact during shipping, I replace all the zip ties with our brand new ones. Now onto the branding part. Ladies, branding is so critical for any business. It sets you apart and creates a lasting impression. So if you're looking to start your own hair business, or you need a raw hair vendor, luxury packaging, or even a hair branding course, I've included all the information in the description below. Trust me, learning how to brand your company is the key to success. And here's the final step. Here I'm tagging the hair extensions and putting them on the rack, getting it ready to ship to our amazing customers. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love seeing our new curly inventory and branding. If you want to know how I co-wash my curly hair before shipping out my orders, be sure to watch this video right here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Luxury Hair Silhouette. See you next time.